All right, so today the Porsche is going to get a muffler. Well, technically two and a center pipe thing, and I don't know. It's some parts. But we're going to put an exhaust on the Porsche so we can actually hear it when we drive. I like to actually hear my cars, especially when on a racetrack. It's way more fun. So we're gonna Borla it up. You know, doing stuff like that. So we're gonna throw this baby on, see how she sounds, give you a little taste of before, after. Maybe I'll be happy, maybe I'll regret it. Who knows? We'll see. First step. So this is the original exhaust. So we're gonna take some bolts out of here. And then we have to figure out how to take this little strappy guy off. And then deep in the heart of Texas, we got some bolts we gotta take out that are right behind the tire. All I have to say is suck it if you live on the East Coast, because this is a 2017, and I can really easily take bolts off that are on an exhaust. Ha! Yeah! Bit of love. Now we're up. Yeah. There we go. So I took the 2 bolts, the 4 bolts out in the middle. Definitely didn't need to do that. Just need to take the 4 bolts out on the ends. So wasted some time, but learned something. So first things first, we're putting these 2 bolts on. I kind of have it just kind of wedged up in there. As you can see here, this thing, I was debating if that went through that, which would make a ton of sense, kind of like it did on the original. They could have just welded like a little piece to go up and over that, but apparently not. So that's going to push over, and then that's going to have a clamp around it. So on the straps, you're actually getting the bolt and the nut that they provided, and you're going around and round we go. Would have been awesome if I would have prepared for this. Let's see if nope, I didn't prepare. Everything that we're doing is just installing it loosely, because we're gonna have to like get it nice and good later. It's because when we get the other side in, we're gonna have to make sure everything lines up, make sure it comes out, and do all the things right. You want to make it so you can get to this. So you're putting it down, facing downward. We're tilting it into your face so you can slot this little joyful piece. There we go. There we go. So now we go for the second one. We use the original hardware. Kind of not a great idea considering it's like pressed into the muffler or whatever. So we're gonna ignore that. I'm just gonna go into my drunk drawer of shit and grab some other shit that I got. Forge our own paths. Come here, Strappy. Gotcha, Strappy. Oh, yeah, suck it, glove. Suck it. Suck it! All right, so now we just have to put some bolts through this little guy here, which I got some options. So I'm gonna go with this. Make sure we put the gasket in. Gaskets are good. We're gonna use this. We're gonna put this here. Put it through the hole. Ha ha. Ha ha. Gasket need. Okay. We're gonna tighten this side up. Those are kind of where they're gonna be because, well, the header and this meet in a location. Now, one thing to note, the OEM exhaust has nice shielding in this area. Let me show you. So OEM has like this nice shielding. You can see it right there. This doesn't have that. So you are getting this pipe. This is going to be hot, obviously, really close to your damper. So I'm debating if I'll put like, you can get like some cheapish stuff that you can put around this pipe right here. Easy to put on. I'll probably do that just to kind of like how you see here and here, just to make it so you're not going to induce any undue heat from here onto your strut, shock, whatever you want to call it, because that will hurt them over time. So now at this point, you can kind of move this into position. Don't want this to be too close because seeing the repercussions of things melting. So goal is to make it so things aren't too close to things. But obviously you're trying to make it so that it looks nice, aesthetically pleasing. All right, so after a little bit of fussing and playing, you got like a finger and a finger. That's a measurement, right? So now we just got to take our clamps, put them over said pipe. Yeah, that's an exhaust install. Borla! Okay, so now, we're done. Now we're ready to listen to her sing for the first time. I think I did pretty good with the alignment portion of it. I wanted to give it a little air gap right here, so I don't want it too close to there. I could adjust it if I want to. We'll see. I'll see. I don't know how close I want it to be, but now let's hear it.